Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to take apart your radio and AC trim so that you can install an aftermarket radio or change your air conditioning and air controls to a new color, LED lights or something. As you can see, I did mine in red. It looks great at night. I'll show you a picture at night. I have my aftermarket radio already, JVC. Okay. First thing you want to do is this trim right here next to your shifter. Should be a little area you can grab on the side and just pull with a little bit of strength. And it should pop up on one side. Do the same on the other. Pops right off. You gotta twist it to get it off the shifter. Just set that to the side. Now you're looking at this. Now you've got two screws right here you need to remove, as well as two screws underneath your air conditioning unit, in between your radio and your air. You're going to want to remove those. Set them to the side, make sure you don't lose them. Oops. Alright, now you got those removed. You can move on to these screws down here. Alright, so now all your screws are loosened. Really all it takes is a little force. You may also want to take your little pad out. And you may, in order to get this whole piece out, you're going to need to shift your shifter all the way down to 1. Just put your foot on the brake. There you go. Your foot, you do not need to turn on the car to do that. Take your ashtray out. Now it just requires a little push and pull. Once you've got one side loose, it's a lot easier. You may also want to use either a pocket knife or just a regular kitchen knife. Also helps to get in there and wedge it loose. So now, as you can see, the whole thing is loose. Next thing you're going to need to do is unplug your cigarette lighter from the back. And once you've done that, it's now unplugged. It's just a plug you plug in. Now that you've done that, you can take the whole thing out, set it to the side with your other, and this is what you'll see. This is where your regular radio would be, or your aftermarket radio. And here's your AC unit. Now to take this out, you've got 4 screws, 2 on either side. Just need to remove that, and you'll have it out. The way you put it back together is exactly the way you took it apart, but the opposite way, obviously. And this dash kit, this trim level is, I believe, the 1997 through the 2001. So this will work on any year between 1997 to 2001. There you have it. Thanks, guys.